This is Casa Fly, a residence designed by Beef Architect located on the island of Mallorca. It blends contemporary architecture with traditional craftsmanship. The street-facing facade appears minimal and closed, ensuring privacy. Materials like local stone, concrete, and wooden slats are used in place of typical glass villas. The entrance opens at the top level due to the sloped site. Natural light enters through skylights. The upper floor holds 3 bedrooms, including a master suite with custom finishes, oak flooring, and a handmade feature wall. The master bath includes a freestanding tub, natural stone backsplash, and a concealed shower and toilet, all designed with simplicity and function in mind. 2 more bedrooms follow the same theme: clean, crafted, and connected to their surroundings, each with its own bathroom. The kitchen features an oak island supported by stone blocks. The material palette shifts slightly to include steel, balancing function and form. Sliding doors connect the kitchen to an outdoor terrace. Wooden shutters filter sunlight and allow airflow, inspired by local architecture. Inside, ceramic pendant lights highlight the dining table. Vertical wooden slats act as both structure and backdrop. The living area is tucked between columns, creating intimacy. Floor-to-ceiling windows draw in the natural slope and sea view. Outside, an infinity pool, lounge area, and garden walkways follow the terrain. Multiple levels offer views of sea, city, and landscape. At the heart of the home is a dry stone wall, built using a historic technique called Petra ink. Over 12,000 hand-shaped stones were placed without mortar, preserving heat in winter and cool in summer.